Welcome! In front of me I have XIAOMI Watch 2 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm clock on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons or by tapping on the screen. After you wake up the screen, press the crown button, the middle button, to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the alarm icon, looks like this, and once you find it, tap on it to open the alarm menu. And now to set the alarm clock, you will need to create a new one. So tap on plus button, set the time on which the alarm should go off by swiping up and down on the screen for the minutes and the hours. Come on, it's a bit laggy as you can see. And then you can change the AM and PM, and once you're done, tap on the check mark to confirm. And here we have our alarm. You can turn it off or on by tapping on the switch next to it. You can also customize it a little bit further by tapping on it. And here we can change the time again. We can change on which days the alarm should repeat. By default it's one time, so it will go off and it basically will stop, but you can tap on one time here and you can select specific days on which the alarm should repeat. For example, if I select Sunday and Tuesday, the alarm will go off every Sunday and Tuesday. You can also turn on or off the vibration and the sound for it, and once you're done, you can swipe right on the screen to go back. You can also have multiple alarms if you want to, like this. And you can also remove the alarms by tapping on one, scrolling down, tapping on the bin icon, like that. And once you're done setting up your alarm clocks, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you set the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.